How do you remove the head assembly from a Craftsman 15 inches weed trimmer? Products are available to give you a more durable cutter, however, the head assembly must first be removed.
Hi, if you can supply the model number from the ID tag, I can be more specific. The head should just unscrew, and will be on a left-hand thread. So turn right to loosen. Without knowing which specific trimmer this is, I don't know how to lock the head so you can unscrew it. Some have a place to fit a wrench, some have a couple holes you line up and stick a nail or something in to jam the head, and there's a few older ones you have to disassemble the shaft on. Thanks, Park.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.